All right, in this video, you're going to learn how to buy Bitcoin. You know, what Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. And there's altcoins that are like Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Link. There's so many other coins you can buy, and not just Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is the biggest because it's so well known. It's the first one. Everyone wants to get in before it goes through the roof. So I'm going to show you the best two ways that I would trust investing your own money in Bitcoin. And the best way is one, Coinbase. Now, Coinbase does have small fees, but I mean, you spend $100 and it's like $1.99 fee, so it's not too crazy in the fees. And then when you sell, there is a little fee too, but it's the most trustworthy platform out there. It's U.S. based. Um, I've never had an issue with Coinbase, and I use it myself. So I would definitely go to Coinbase.com, get started, create an account. It will ask you for, your legitimate name because you will have to pay taxes on the money you make. Of course, that's how the government and paying taxes works, unfortunately. But that's why a lot of people are avoiding taxes by using other exchanges to avoid taxes. But then you run the risk of, is that a legitimate firm? Am I really going to get the Bitcoin? I mean, there's all these questions that come up, and it's like, do you want to risk put in $5,500? Whatever you're going to invest in with not knowing if it's going to get that back. So definitely use Coinbase.com, or another big player that just came into the market is PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, log into your personal. Now, if you have a business PayPal account, you do have to create a personal PayPal account to be able to purchase crypto. But a lot of people have PayPal. So if you have PayPal, log into your account. You should get a thing that says you can buy crypto now, and you can buy and sell crypto right from the app by logging in. And if you have the latest PayPal app on your phone, you can buy crypto through your phone. So it's that easy now. And PayPal is another good exchange that you can trust. Now, once you log into your PayPal account, I'm going to show you how easy it is. You just literally hit buy Bitcoin and more now. And when it says more is because you can also buy Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Those are just other altcoins or other cryptocurrencies you can invest your money into. And here they have some things you can learn about crypto, things down here. But what what you're worried about is this right here, where I can buy and sell Bitcoin right here. So I just hit buy Bitcoin, and you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin because right now Bitcoin is almost 35,000. Not a lot of people have $35,000, so you can just simply go in here and let's say I want to invest $100 or $5. You can buy what is, I think they call it Satoshi, which is less than one Bitcoin. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but like I said, you don't have to invest $35,000 to buy one Bitcoin. You can buy a portion or a percent of a Bitcoin. So you can buy like I said, $5, $100, $500, $5,000. It just depends on what you are willing to invest. So that's how really easy it is within PayPal, and Coinbase is pretty similar. So I would just get to these websites, create your account. Coinbase does make you put in your driver's license, tax ID, stuff like that, your social security, not tax ID, social security number, so they can obviously send you a 1099, or the IRS can know what you're earning on crypto. So you do definitely gonna have to pay taxes, but with PayPal, it's gonna be the same thing. So those are the two avenues you can go. It automatically creates your wallet, so you don't have to worry about creating a separate wallet and going to another exchange and buying it and transferring it and having this huge headache. This is perfect for the people that don't know anything about crypto and they just want to invest and buy in crypto. So that's why I'm saying Coinbase.com, very trustworthy. Use them. Or like I said, PayPal is now within the past couple of months. They just announced that they can start. You can start buying crypto through them. So that's another avenue. If you already have a PayPal account, I would suggest using PayPal because you already have it. Um, that's it, you guys. Nice and short and sweet. Like I said, that's the easiest way to buy your Bitcoin.